Sugar is the #1 treatment for diarrhea. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel on how to use sugar to treat diarrhea. Sugar is used in tea for breakfast and baking of bread amongst other uses. It is a home remedy which is very simple and very cheap for people with a very low income who cannot afford expensive medical treatments irrespective of location or the country they live in. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to use sugar to treat diarrhea. Below are the easy steps on how to use sugar to treat diarrhea. 1. You eat a plate full of food to fill your stomach before drinking the sugar water you are about to be instructed below. After the food intake, wait for at least 20 minutes before undertaking the steps below. 2. Fill in a bottle or big cup with 500 milliliters of cold water and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar and stir it thoroughly. Shake it well if it's a 500 milliliters bottle. Drink the clear solution afterwards. You can also use hot water, so add 5 to 6 tablespoons of sugar and drink it with tea. Don't include coffee and milk because coffee is a diuretic and it will encourage more water loss from the body through urine and sweating, and milk will worsen the diarrhea or hinder the healing process. 3. Repeat step 2 after 1 hour with no food intake this time. 4. I reassure you that you'll be healed within 48 hours after following the above steps. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for similar videos. Like or share and comment below.